Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my Rongrong Happy Mail. In case you missed my community post, I did mention that I am now a Rongrong ambassador, and I do have a 10% off code, and that will always be linked down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and let's take a look and see what's in here. If I can get it open, this is sealed pretty nicely. Has a tape on top of this, so I'm trying to do my best. Okay, so here we go, and let's take a look. And I believe that's everything. Yes. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here's just her little card with some information about her and her social media down here. So let's see. So we have the Rongrong Holiday Cheer Planner Sticker Pack. And this came out with her holiday collection. And this is 12 pages of her illustrations. So these are such great colors, and I believe these are still available in her shop, so definitely check her out. Don't forget to use my code so you guys can save 10% off of your order. So I love these are all so pretty. And let's check this out. So these right here are part of her early bird Black Friday event, and that is a waitlist only sale, so you do have to get on the wait list to be able to purchase these items. And again, I will have that link so you guys can sign up for the wait list down in the description box below. And as a waitlist guest, you will receive a special code to get 20% off of your order. That does run from November 18th through November 21st. So just waitlist only, just November 18th through November 21st, and you will receive that special code. So this is the Boss Babe sticker pad. And when I saw her doing a live and showing these items, I fell in love with this one. I think it is so pretty. The foil is so nice. And we have a bunch of sticky notes here. I love the color palette on here, very neutral. I think it's really nice. So we have some habit trackers, weekly goals, some to-do list, important, write it down, and all kinds of different sizes. You do get quite a few of each. So I love this, and I cannot wait to use this one. So next we have the Heels and Hustle Planner sticker book. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And this is going to be a neutral sticker book and very functional too. So let's see. So we have like some headers, some flags, some more headers, and we have that black, gold, gray, and even marble theme going on. So some today's with the girls there, water trackers, workouts, relax, some bullet points here. So just super functional, and you do get 2 of each page. We have to track your meal planning, cost to make, and then some just boxes themselves. So that one was 1 page of this one. And the black, we go back to this gold. So super, super functional. And then she does, of course, add her Fashion Girls, which I am obsessed with this collection. They're so pretty, so professional, and just so stylish. So these are going to be great. And then these ones are clear. So all of the ones that I had just shown are paper. And then we get to some clear headers and some clear Fashion Girls as well. So again, 2 of those. Look how pretty these are. The attention to detail is just amazing. I cannot wait to use this sticker book. It is just so pretty. Look at those heels. Very, very pretty. And then the last item that I got was this travel pouch, or whatever you want it to be, because this is such a big pouch and it is vegan leather, so that's always nice. We have the gold detail and the black lining inside, so that's always great, because if you are going to carry markers or any type of pen and they might leak or anything, this is black and you can just clean it off really quickly and you won't be able to see if it ever leaks or anything like that. So I love this. It's on both sides. It's such a great size, and you can even fit your sticker books in here. So look at that. That's how big it is, and it's a great size. So even this sticker pad, and let's see if this one will fit, and it will. And I believe a mini happy planner fits in here too. I don't think a classic one will fit. It is way too big, but definitely your mini happy planner will fit in here. It is just such a great size. So make sure that you guys sign up for the wait list. There's so many items that are going to be available. We have more sticker books, we have a wall calendar, washi tape, a hands off my sticker album. So that's going to be nice, because that sticker album, you're able to put all of your planner sticker packs in there. So as you can see, these are not in a book form, so they're just loose. So with that sticker album, you guys can just put your stickers onto there, and then you have a sticker book with all of your sticker packs. So I cannot wait to get my hands on that one. I do have the planner that she just launched. It was a pre-order, so I think by the middle of December, I believe, is when those will get shipped out. So we will have them for the beginning of the year, and I cannot wait till that one arrives, because it is just super pretty. I cannot wait to dive into that one. But just make sure that you guys are on the wait list so you can shop for all of these items. It is waitlist only. I cannot stress that enough. You will not be able to shop any of these items. You can shop for this one and not be on the wait list, but as far as these items and many more, it is just going to be wait list only. Sign up for that one, even if you don't buy anything, just you want to be on that wait list, and then you will receive that special code for 20% off of your order. But I am so happy with this collection. Everything is just so beautiful, but everything will be linked down in the description box below. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.